Hey everyone, in this video we'll be adding a video to our website. So we have the opening video tag, and then we would also have the closing video tag. And then in between we have source, src is equal to quotation marks. So the source element, it allows us to specify the alternative video files that our browser can choose from. So the best way I'd recommend to do this would be to download the video into the same folder as our website file first. And then after that, we will write our video name. So I called my intro. And then dot the format. So it could be like .ogg or .mp4. If it's saved within another folder inside the folder, we'll write the folder name and then slash. So we can always write this on the same line, but I'll write it on a different line so it displays on the screen. After that, we have something like type is equal to quotation marks and then video slash mp4. And then inside this video thing, we would specify its width and height. So width, we could do like 300, height, something like 300 as well. And then we could put something like controls. So the controls attribute, it adds video controls such as the play, pause, and volume. After that, we'll save it and then click on the file with our website. So after it loads, the video would appear something like this, and then we could play it, change the volume, full screen, or like extra settings.